President Draupadi Murmu was on a 3-day visit to Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu from 12th to 14th November 2024. On 12th November, she visited the aviary at Jampur Government Engineering College and the NIFT campus in Daman. On 13th November, the President inaugurated various development projects in Silvassa, including the sports arena, the Swami Vivekanand Vidya Mandir at Jhanda Chowk, and Phase 2 of the game zone. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Jamui in Bihar on 15th November 2024, where he marked the commencement of the 150th birth anniversary year celebration of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. During the visit, he also unveiled a commemorative coin and a postage stamp in honor of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. The Prime Minister also inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for several development projects worth over 6,640 crore rupees in Bihar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be honored with Dominica's highest national honor, the Dominica Award of Honor, for his contributions to Dominica during the COVID-19 pandemic and commitment to strengthening bilateral ties. The award will be conferred by Dominica's President Sylvanie Burton during the India CARICOM Summit, scheduled to be held from 19th to 21st November 2024 in Georgetown, Guyana. The 43rd India International Trade Fair is being held at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi from 14th to 27th November 2024. Union Minister Piyush Goyal inaugurated the trade fair on 14th November, in which 11 countries including China, Egypt, Iran, South Korea, Thailand, Turkey and UAE are participating this year. The 55th International Film Festival of India will be held in Goa from November 20 to 28, 2024. On 11th November 2024, Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting Dr. L. Murugan addressed the curtain raiser press conference for the 55th IFFI in New Delhi. Briefing the media, the minister emphasized that Indian cinema is playing a huge role in the country's economy. INB Ministry Secretary Sanjay Jaju also addressed the conference and stated that a new award category, the Best Indian Debut Director Award, has been introduced to encourage young talent. 25th session of the India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Scientific, Technical and Cultural Cooperation was held on 12th November 2024 in New Delhi. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and Russian Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov co-chaired the session. Speaking on the occasion, the External Affairs Minister expressed confidence that India and Russia will achieve the trade target of $100 billion well before the deadline of 2030.